Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Dorothee's Easter Eggs Ornament in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia, there's a new event called Wonder Egg Hunt, where you can collect special Easter eggs from different NPC around the central square. And one of them is Dorothee's Easter Eggs Ornament. And to get this Easter eggs, it's very easy. First, just go to the central square over here, and then just go to the Dorothee store, but precisely just go to the in front of this store, and then after that the Easter eggs is located above the store. To get it in here, I want to use my card to climb up. For example like this, and then I will climb the lamp. Like this, and then I will open my camera, and then like this you will notice the Dorothee's Easter Eggs Ornament has tag like this, and then just take a photo of it, and then you will get the Dorothee's Easter Eggs Ornament automatically added to your backpack like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.